Well, yes, the NGT today also expressed its shock at the statement that Sri Ravi Shankar had made. The NGT, headed by Justice Swatantra Kumar, in fact, asked the lawyer for the Art of Living how the statement could have been made. Mentioned that it was a shocking and irresponsible statement, as a matter of fact, and they said just because you're raising objections to the report that has been filed does that mean that you can say anything about the high-powered committee or the NGT. Now, the Art of Living Foundation has denied the allegations that its World Cultural Festival that was held last year has caused any damage to the Yamuna floodplain, though the high-powered committee set up by the NGT has indicated that there was extensive damage and it would take about 10 years and over 40 crore to rehabilitate the floodplain, to bring it to its earlier position. And the Art of Living Foundation has denied all allegations. Yes. It has said that no, we did not cause any damage, which is in direct contrast to what the high-powered committee is, of course, saying. Now, today, with the last week, the committee report being made public, the NGT has for now granted time to AOL to file its response to that report. It has also asked the petitioner in this case, Manoj Mishra,
yes,
to file an application with the details of what the statement that had been made yesterday by Sri Ravi Shankar, so that it could be the issue of the statement and the allegations raised against the NGT and the government could also be taken up. Back to you.